Hey everyone, it's Julie. As a mom with two small boys, accidents happen. So I created an emergency kit basically for the car for those kinds of accidents. So I'm just gonna go through it and show you what I have. So this is an older product by 31. This is our square utility tote. But any tote that works to fit between the driver's seat and the back bench seat, captain's chair, whatever, because that's the side of the car that you're gonna be on. So that's the side of the car that you're gonna wanna grab everything from. So in here, I have a muslin swaddle blanket. It's nice and thin. And this is what I use if we get caught in the rain, because it rains here without warning. And I can cover up the infant carrier when we're running in or out of somewhere without adding weight to it. And then it dries really fast because it's nice and thin. I keep a package of puppy pads, puppy training pads. When kid has a blowout and I want to change him, but I don't want any of that stuff on the seat of my car, the trunk of my car, or if a kid got sick and I need to put something between them and the car seat for the time being. Or we have a toddler who is getting ready to potty train, and this will save my car seats. Obviously, I keep a fresh package of wipes because you can never have enough of those. Both boys are in diapers, so I keep sealed so they don't get covered in dog fur. About 3 to 4 spare wipes. This is in addition to whatever is already in my diaper bag. And by putting it in a Ziploc bag, in the event that I need somewhere to contain clothes that are covered in a mess, I can just take these out and now I've got a sealed bag in case I need it. I also keep in here a change of clothes, again, in a bag, so they're kept clean until I need them, and then I can use the bag. Key thing here, clothes for the baby, up a size, just so that they're always the right size. Change of clothes for the toddler, shirt and pants, and then once he's potty training, underwear, and an entire change of clothes for myself, because you just never know when that diaper is going to explode on you, or you're going to get spit up on, or a kid's going to throw up on you. All right, and then I also keep in here, this again is an older 31 product, but any lunchbox size, that's what this is. I use a thermal just because that's what I had. In this pocket, I have extra grocery bags, again, to contain messes or in case someone is car sick. And then in here, I have an extra receiving blanket that you just never know when you're gonna need to wrap somebody up because they got soaked, or any messes. Burp rag, bib, sippy cup, because I always forget one for the toddler when we travel, always. Baby powder, sanitizing wipes. And sanitizing wipes, I do keep a bottle of hand sanitizer in the door of my car because I use it after I pump gas. But this is for little hands. I also have a package of tissues just because, you never know when you're gonna need to clean up little messes or runny noses. I am a breastfeeding mom, so I keep disposable breast pads in here, but all of this is in a thermal so that, especially that sippy cup doesn't get too hot, the wipes don't get too hot and get dried out, but it also fits perfectly in the side of my bag. And then all of this lives on the floorboard behind my seat, the driver's seat, and in front of the infant carrier. So that is my emergency car kit.